Hello, thank you for watching this video. In the plastic ratio number file video posted by Numberphile on YouTube on March 15, 2019, Edmund asked for a more generalized definition, an anonymous identity, of the following specific rectangular proportion defined by the plastic ratio identity. Now changing it to x, more generalized. The base is now anonymous, but the exponent isn't yet anonymous. Generally, x equals this. Applied to the plastic ratio, this x is here. Therefore, this x to the 0 or 1 is this, and this x to the negative 1 is that. So, if x wears the plastic ratio identity, then x to the 0 is this, and x to the negative 1 is that. Given Edmund's proportions, x to the negative 1 is also this. Therefore, x squared is this, and as such, x cubed is that. The pattern works for any x equals 1 and 1/2 to the y identity. So, starting at the plastic ratio, now rewinding to the golden ratio, going up the dimensions 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and stopping on the 11th dimension. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have additional work on my Best Ape Instagram account. If you're interested in supporting my work, please visit my Best Ape Patreon account. Thanks. Bye.